Hello people, Carl Muller, Travel and Adventure. This time's just a little short video to give you an idea what real outback roads are like. This is right up near the Queensland border. Hope it's not too boring, but that's it. Just a bit of dirt road. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you'll see more that I do. That's all there is. As I said, it was just an idea to give you a bit of insight into outback dirt roads if you ever wanted to head up that way. Not too bad the time I was there. Better than some. Not many corrugations. Okay, thanks for watching.